Clear your lungs and stop coughing in 3 days. Recipe for bronchitis. Take 1 lemon and wash it with 1 tablespoon of baking soda and rinse thoroughly in water. Baking soda is a versatile ingredient when it comes to neutralizing odors and cleaning, as it helps remove tough stains, eliminate foul odors, and clean difficult areas like in our kitchens. Now take 1 whole garlic. Garlic have antimicrobial and antiviral properties that relieve the common cold. Garlic has been used for centuries as both food and medicine. In fact, eating garlic may provide a wide variety of health benefits which enhance immune function. Peel and cut up into small pieces and put in a glass jar. Now cut up 1 lemon into small pieces. Lemon peel contains folic and ascorbic acid. Put them into the jar with garlic and add 100 to 150 gram of natural honey mix well. It can be taken 5 days. Take 1 tablespoon with a glass of warm water. This natural remedy also helps to strengthen hair and nails.